Hello friends, I am beginning today's video here at the Gateway of India, capturing a striking view of the monument with its imposing domes and beautiful arches. And there are not many people here at the moment. And right beside it is the iconic Taj Palace Hotel, standing tall with its magnificent red dome, elegant arches and grand historic facade, adding even more charm to this beautiful waterfront. Morning is the perfect time to explore this place because of its peaceful vibe. The view of the sea with its waters filled with boats waiting for people looking for a joyride around the shore before the summer heat catches up makes the whole scene even more beautiful. And now I'm here next to another iconic landmark, the Regal Cinema. The road here is always buzzing with activity, and this is one of the most cherished locations in Mumbai for both locals and tourists because of its timeless charm, colonial era architecture, and the famous art district it's known for. The area is also home to several museums, art galleries, and cultural spaces. The Gateway of India has always been one of my favorite spots in South Mumbai. The early morning and evening vibes there are really enchanting. But it was 10 a.m. when I was there, and the crowd was still minimal. So usually only weekends and evenings get really congested there. So let's continue our journey. I'm in the Churchgate area now. Churchgate is just a few minutes walk from the Gateway of India, around 15 minutes, maximum 20 minutes, not more than that. So I'm going to take a underground metro train from here, from Churchgate to our next destination. This underground metro has been a really convenient mode of transportation for people ever since it started, especially for those who come from the suburbs to the city, main city. So this is the Churchgate metro station. It's also called the Aqua Line. So just a 2 minutes walk from Churchgate local railway station. There are a couple of colleges here. One is HR College and the KC College. You can see several students gathered here. It's a beautiful line next to the metro station. So I'm ending the metro station. These steps lead down to the ticket counter and the platforms, which are around 20-25 meters below ground. The station has been designed to handle the heavy traffic above, making it easy for thousands of commuters to move through this busy area every day. And this is, of course, one of the greatest achievements in a highly congested city like Mumbai. And it lets you travel without the usual overcrowded local trains that commuters are used to in Mumbai. So now we are in BKC, one of the two prominent CBDs of Mumbai. Another one is Nariman Point. BKC or Bandra Kurla Complex is a modern business district known for its impressive skyline, wide boulevards, and sleek corporate towers. It houses the offices of many multinational companies, major banks, and financial institutions, making it one of the most important financial hubs in the city. The area is also home to luxury hotels, upscale restaurants, convention centers, and cultural venues, giving it a vibrant and cosmopolitan feel. Over the years, this area has grown into one of the most prestigious addresses in the city. Apart from corporate offices, BKC is also home to luxury hotels, fine dining restaurants, and important institutions. Major international events, exhibitions, and conferences are often held here, giving the place a very global and cosmopolitan vibe. And what also makes BKC interesting is the way it blends modern development with culture and public spaces. Now I am at Jio World Center, one of Mumbai's most modern lifestyle destinations. This massive complex brings together a world-class convention center, luxury shopping, and the beautiful Nita Mukesh Ambani Cultural Center, making it a hub for business, culture, and entertainment in the city. And the total distance between this Jio World Plaza and the metro station, underground metro station BKC, is close to 4 kilometers. So, but I enjoyed the walk because most of the area here is nicely shaded with trees. So, walking is not at all an issue. So, let's go explore this Jio World Center. Okay. So, let's explore this cultural center first. At the entrance, I am greeted by these beautiful and colorful elephant models made of flowers. I'm not even sure if the flowers are real or artificial. Since the focus of this cultural center is mainly on promoting traditional art and crafts, you can see artisans from different regions sitting here and demonstrating their skills. This includes traditional weaves, prints, and many other handcrafted products sourced from indigenous communities and artisans across India. You can see this artist here carefully creating a beautiful design using a chisel and several other tools. Like him, there are many artisans here demonstrating their artworks. This Pochampalli Ikat is a traditional handloom textiles from Telangana, India, famous for its vibrant geometric patterns created by dyeing the yarn before it is woven. It's a craft that requires remarkable skill and precision from the artisans. And this is Kalamkari, a centuries-old textile art that comes from the state of Andhra Pradesh in southern India.
Hello.
And this is Kanta embroidery from West Bengal, a traditional form of hand stitching where artisans create beautiful patterns using simple running stitches. This interesting Karl Buffy refers to a traditional style of hand-knotted carpets from the region of Jammu and Kashmir, India, particularly associated with the rich carpet weaving heritage of Kashmir Valley. I am using a voiceover here because this whole area has background music playing, which can often lead to copyright claims. I don't want to risk that. And this Sosni embroidery from Kashmir is a very delicate form of hand embroidery done with fine needles and silk threads. The patterns are carefully stitched by the artisans, often taking weeks or even months to complete, which is why these shawls are highly valued. And this Nita Mukesh Ambani Cultural Center in BKC is a modern cultural space where art, theatre, music and traditional crafts from across India are showcased. It was designed as a platform where artists, performers and audiences can come together to celebrate culture and creativity. And here again are beautiful tiger models made with colorful flowers. I have never seen artwork like this before. Animal figures created entirely from flowers. There are several children here who seem fascinated and just want to stay around these figures. Interesting. Architecturally, the complex is designed with modern performance spaces, exhibition galleries, and beautifully planned public areas where visitors can walk around, explore installations, and attend cultural events. One of its highlights is the large state-of-the-art theatre, which hosts grand productions and performances. And now it's time to explore the amazing Jio World Plaza, a shopping mall where luxury boutiques lined with grand corridors, featuring some of the most exclusive international brands and a truly upscale shopping experience. And of course, this Jio World Plaza in BKC is one of the newest and most glamorous shopping destinations in the city. This upscale mall has quickly become a landmark for luxury, fashion, and lifestyle experience. This plaza spread across several spacious levels and is designed with very refined and artistic style. As you step inside, you notice the polished marble floors, tall ceilings, elegant lighting, and beautifully designed walkways. The interiors feel more like a luxury gallery than a typical mall, creating a very sophisticated atmosphere for visitors. And what truly defines this place is its collection of high-end international fashion houses and premium brands. Many of the world's most famous labels have stores here, attracting fashion enthusiasts and luxury shoppers from across the city. The boutiques are arranged along wide, stylish corridors, giving the entire space a calm and exclusive feel rather than a crowded vibe of regular shopping malls. And this makes the mall not just a shopping space, but a destination where fashion lovers can experience international luxury standards right in Mumbai. So, it's an interesting place for entertainment, shopping, and cultural activities. Jio World Plaza is considered one of Mumbai's most luxurious malls, with almost all major brands, luxury brands, available for discerning shoppers. So don't miss this place when you are in Mumbai. Okay, it's easily accessible from Bandra railway station and other parts of the city. Located in the heart of BKC Bandra Kurla complex, the entire area is well maintained with wide roads, modern buildings, and of course plenty of dining options around. Whether you are here for a cultural show, a business event, or simply to experience a bit of luxury shopping, this place offers unique and vibrant atmosphere that reflects the modern side of Mumbai. See, that is BKC. So now, after taking a shared rickshaw from BKC and getting off at Bandra railway station, I walked all the way from the station to Carter Road. Yes, I'm on Carter Road right now. Another attraction in Bandra. So this is the very beautiful, enchanting Carter Road in Bandra. So let's explore the Carter Road Promenade over there. So let's cross this road and enter the promenade now. Isn't it very beautiful place? So this is the very beautiful Carter Road Promenade, offering a fabulous view of the Arabian Sea with the sunset about to happen now. Now time is 5 to 6. Sun will be setting in a few minutes. See how wonderful, how beautiful the view is. There are several restaurants and coffee shops around this area, and hundreds of restaurants, small and big restaurants and coffee shops. It's one of the poshest areas, poshest suburban areas in Mumbai. Very near to Bandra Bandstand. So that's all for now. I'm signing off. Please check out my video every Friday, 5:45 p.m. IST. So thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.